packs or Bravo pack first? No, you mean Alpha first, you mean? Alright, Alpha first. Oh. Sorry, bro. Alright. Green. Alright. I already have that, bro. I mean, I kind of mess with the kind of mess with the charm. Not gonna hold the W. I actually kind of like that. Kind of like that. Oh, crashed somehow, but okay. Have the next alpha pack. Ooh, another purple. Another purple. Don't I have that already? Yep. Yep, I have that already. All right. All right, another alpha pack. I don't have any blitz shield things. So that's fine. What? How is this even? This is what even? This is the worst skin I think I've ever gotten before. Like, genuinely, what is this? She's on the barrel. You know, I'm fine with it. I'm fine with it. I kind of mess with it. I kind of mess with it. Kind of mess with it. All right. Someone just pissed on his helmet. Like, I think someone just pissed on his helmet, had duct tape on it, and ripped it off. All right. Oh, good for another operator that I don't use. Same thing. Like pants that got stained yellow. Yep. Yep. Another piss hat. Another piss hat. Okay. Hunter camo. Alright. Please be good. Are you kidding me, bro? I don't. I mean, the skin's okay, but whatever. Pretty good. Okay. Okay. I actually mess with this. I mess with this. Alright. 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 Looked on the barrel. Looked on the barrel. Alright. I mess with that. I mess with it. Okay. 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 Alright. I see it now. I understand it now. I'm sorry. That was. I'm sorry. Yeah, I need to cut that out. My bad. Alright, but I got two in a row. Alright. Not three, but I got two in a row. Yeah, I never use stores, so like that's. Yeah, that's. That's never gonna get used. Alright. Yeah, when I use Jackal, I don't use this gun. I wouldn't. I use Ying sometimes, but I would never use that skin. I have black eyes for that shotgun, so not that I use a shotgun anyway. Alright, so these alpha packs are being buns right now. Alright, okay. I'm not sure how to think about this one. I'm not sure how to think about it. It's like it's alright, but it's not good either. It's not bad, but it's not good. It's like right in the middle. Completely skipping that one. I don't use a shotgun. Anyone who uses a shotgun, it's. I don't use a shotgun. I don't use a shotgun. Yeah, I use Mozzie, but I will not be using that. Alright. 3 black ices so far. Alright. That looks exactly the same. It looks exactly the same. Like, that looks exactly the same. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, right. Please, bro. Please. This is the last one. Alright, 2 more. Okay. Oh my gosh. How many greens do I get, bro? How many greens do I get? Please. Last bag of the day. Last bag. Alright. It doesn't. It just looks like the same, but just darker. Looks exactly the same. Alright, so. Alright, so. Add a favorite. Add a favorite. Add a favorite. Alright. So now I need to equip these. Not that I really use that one. I use this one. Too bad they took out the RAM. They had to take it off of RAM. Wait, what was the other one I just got? Oh, I got this one. No. I got this one. This one I got. Oh, I already pressed equip. Alright, so it wasn't a horrible pack opening. Wasn't the greatest, but it wasn't horrible. Alright. It's successful.